Hey, welcome to this video. We're going to talk about how to implement each API's feature into a MAUI sample application called StarCellar. Apizr is a library built on top of Refit, aiming to provide all the resilience we can, like retry handling, connectivity check, cache management, and so on. If you're new to Apizr, please head to the documentation. This first episode is the StarCellar getting started, so let's get started. StarCellar app is based on a backend API and two projects. Two projects because I'm gonna try to implement API with and without Apizr to demonstrate the differences we have. The API project provides a Swagger. This Swagger show you features we can call like file handling, login process, and obviously wine bottle management because it's a seller app. Well, it's some kind of crude endpoint. I mean, we can get all wine bottle, just one, update one, delete, and so on. Okay, so let's stop talking and just show it what it looks like actually. Okay, let's pull and get maybe, yeah, some wine bottles. As you can see, I got my wine bottles, just one into it. We can click on it to get some details about that. And we can just update the bottle, remove it, and obviously just add a bottle. Let's do it. I'm gonna just add a bottle, maybe that one. Test ABC, doesn't matter. And let's score it like 3. And that's it. I've got my bottles. Okay, so now let's actually implement Apizr. So I'm gonna select that project and maybe remove Refit because I'm gonna replace it with Apizr. So let's find it. Refit is just there. Yeah, I do want to remove that. And now I'm gonna install Apizr package, that one, because I'm into a MAUI application with iService collection, so I'm gonna just reference Apizr with DI container. So now what we're gonna do is decorate our APIs with some kind of APIs attributes. We get our base address defined here, so I would maybe define it there. Base address constant, base address, yep, and that's it. There's another API, the file one, which will get the same base address there. All right. And we should be good about designing. So let's head to the MAUI program. Into the MAUI program, we will remove both of it because it's a Refit registration. So I'm gonna just comment it and implement register Apizr builder.services.add Apizr manager for, yeah, that one, for StarCellar API. Yeah, and that's all. And don't forget to add the other one. Yeah, that one. And that's okay for MAUI program. So now let's head to the view model, set our view model. As you can see, we implement the API directly. I want to inject the managed one. So Apizr manager of StarCellar API. All right, API manager. So I'm gonna rename it. And there, it's not a get wine directly anymore, but an execute. I think API dot get wines. So the get wines API call is managed by API as a manager and returns wine. So that's all for that call. Let's see for others view model, the same scenario. Here is, yeah, the manager. I mean the manager, manager, yeah. Okay, and let's see where do I have to adjust it. Execute, I think, API, and that's it for here. Maybe the final one is the edit one view model, same things. Yeah. Yeah, manager 2. And where do I have to adjust it? It's there. Yeah. Oops. And yeah. Okay, I'm almost finished, but I got the file API too to manage. So let's manage it. Manager. Where do I have to adjust it? There. And we're good. What I did is just update the API design, decorating with base address. And then in the MAUI program, I just removed Refit registration and add the managed one from Apizr. So I think we should be good to go. We're gonna run the app and see what we get. Let's run. We should see our 2 wine bottles appear. Yeah. So what did we do? We just replaced Refit by Apizr, which actually brings Refit back to the project because it's built on top of it, but with some more features like we just did. We just decorated our API with a base address to set it by design instead of by registration. But there is many more features with Apizr, so stay tuned and watch the episode 2.